Hello, I am Mani Malarvannan. In this video, we will look into one of the analytic kit tool, Wallet Analytic. In this, we will see how we can use the heat map engagement graph and see what we can learn from user behavior from Ethereum wallet chain. So one of the main purpose of the engagement heat map graph is to identify what are all the days the customers are engaging more with your smart contract application that you deployed on Ethereum blockchain, and what are all the days they are not active, and you can able to identify based on the wallet public address that we capture using our AnalyticKit tool. Let me go to the uh, AnalyticKit platform. I have shown this page many times in my previous videos. It's basically once you successfully log into your application, and if you are using the analytic kit tools for some time, then you will see all these informations. If you have any questions, please go and see our previous videos, or you can post a comment and we will be happy to help you. So once you successfully log into the screen, in the left-hand menu, you can click the Wallet Analytic. That takes you to the Wallet Analytic dashboard. Here again, I have explained in many videos each and every graph, what is the use of this graph and how to use it, and what you can learn from user behavior using this graph. So uh, in this video, we will look into specifically the engagement heat map. It's basically, as I said earlier, we capture these public wallet addresses when the customer tries to log in from their browser. So we capture this. Again, we are capturing all these informations based on the private property, privacy property. They set it, they accept. So otherwise, we are not capturing any other informations from the customer's login. So for example, we don't capture their user ID, password, or any other information. So only the relevant informations, this wallet public address, we are capturing it in. So once you subscribe to our AnalyticKit platform and have the JavaScript put it on your website, then anybody, those who are visiting your website, and then they log in using your website public informations, then we capture their wallet address and then store it in our system, and then use it to go to the Ethereum blockchain, get the data, transaction data, token transfer data, all those data based on the wallet address, and then we save it in our database, and that's what you are seeing on the screen. See these three wallet address, and again this is for the test case I've created. These three wallet addresses are all captured from the browser when they use the wallet plugin to log into the system. So once we capture that information, we go to the Ethereum blockchain, collect all the transaction data, token transfer data from Ethereum blockchain, and store it on a nightly basis. Uh, at this time, it is not a real time. Say, for example, once we capture the wallet address, you can't see this graph instantly. You have to wait at least 24 hours so that we will go on the nightly basis, go to the Ethereum blockchain, collect all the data that matches this wallet address, and then store it in our system. And also you can see on the date at the right side and the x-axis, for each date you can see how they are using that wallet, on which date they have a high engagement, on which dates they have a low engagement, based on different wallet addresses. Right now this entire graph, or all of these graphs, gas usage and cost, and then engagement heat map, all these graphs are all static. Basically you cannot manipulate, you cannot change the time, you cannot change the date, any of that information. We are working on the feature to make these changes. For example, you can able to change the date instead of these two dates, or if you have multiple dates, then you can able to see only the dates that you are interested in, so that you can able to see large number of informations using this graph. Right now we don't have that feature, but we are working on it. And if you have seen in our previous videos, or if you have used our previous web2 tools, then you can see that we have all the features available for you. We can able to change the graph type, you can change the date range, and you can able to modify the graph dynamically so that you can understand more about your customer behavior. But for Web3, we don't have that feature yet, but we are working on it to incorporate those changes as we speak. Let me switch back to the presentation. So the main purpose, as I said, is to understand the key engagements for your users, on which day they are using your application more frequently, on which days they are using less frequently, or they are not at all using it. So that information helps you to understand your customers' high engagement period, so that you can adapt your marketing campaign based on that information. And the decoding the user engagement. So once you understand that information, on which day they have maximum engagement, on which days they have a minimal engagement or no engagement, you can able to fine tune your marketing campaign and attract more customers and make them to use your Ethereum blockchain application that you deployed on Ethereum blockchain. So this helps you to attract more customers and ultimately more engagement, and growing your community, so that you will have more and more users coming and using your blockchain application. And also this helps you to come up with a strategic campaign plan for your marketing activities. Say you are starting a marketing campaign, and you are sending marketing campaign links to various social media platforms, or you are sending a mass email, and you want to know whether the social media posting attracts more customers or mass email attracts more customers. In this case, we have various Web2 tools that you can track how well your marketing campaigns are performing from the email campaign versus social media campaign. You can identify that information using the Web2 tools. And then in the Web3 tools, you can use and identify how effectively your marketing campaigns are reaching your customers. Say they may open your email, they may visit your page, but they may not come to your wallet. They may not enter their public address to start buying NFT tokens or whatever you are selling or market managing on your Web3 application. So that information is all stored in the Web3 blockchain, and whatever they are doing on your website or your mobile application, that is in the Web2 side. How they are coming into your website and how much time they are spending from the email marketing campaign versus a social media marketing campaign, all the informations you can collect and store in the Web2 database within our AnalyticKit platform. And then once in the Web3 side, you can connect those dots based on the data what they did on the Ethereum blockchain. See, this entire strategic campaign, what you are planning to do, is not just by random guess or based on some data. You are connecting the data that you collect from the Web2 tools and also from the Web3 tools. You are integrating those using our AnalyticKit platform, and then coming up with a strategic marketing plan, which marketing campaign worked for you, whether it's a social media or email marketing, mass email marketing campaign. Even within the social media, you can identify if the LinkedIn posting worked, or X, formerly known as Twitter, worked, or the Discord channel posting worked. So you can able to identify that information and plan coming up with a good marketing strategy for your future marketing campaigns, or in the current marketing campaigns, you can fine tune your marketing campaigns based on the data that you collect from Ethereum blockchain. And also, if we are developing a content for one particular customer base, these heat maps will help you to identify the customer base, whether it's a high volume customers or low volume customers or a mid volume customers based on their engagement pattern. Using that information, you can fine tune your marketing campaign and content generation and send that information so that your low value customers will become mid value customers, or your mid value customers will go become your high value customers. So like that, you can grow your community and you can keep them engaged into your blockchain platform that you are building, and ultimately building a good and rich community around that product that you are promoting for your customers. So this also helps you to identify this heat map tool also helps you to identify the customer segmentations. As I said earlier, you can identify different groups of customers, whether they are high value, low value, mid value, or whatever categorization you have. Based on that information, you can fine tune your marketing campaign that helps to attract the customers. See, some customers, they will all the time, whenever you post a social media link, they will visit your website because they like it, but they never purchased anything. So for those people, you can able to attract by giving them some promotions, discounts, and then make them as your customers. Like that, you can grow your community and attract more and more customers coming and engaging with your blockchain application that you deployed. This also helps you to internally within your marketing agency, you can allocate resources based on the customer segments that you identified, and also based on which days you have a larger volume, larger interaction with your blockchain application from your community. So this helps you, say for example, on one particular day, every week on Fridays, you see maximum number of users engaging with your platform. That time you can have more resources helping your customers understand facing their any issue. If they are having any issues using your platform, you can help them to understand how to use your platform, or if they have any help needed, you can able to use your internal resources, and ultimately making your customers happy and growing your community around your blockchain application. And also this tools helps you to predict the marketing trends that's happening. Say based on your current marketing campaign, which one you can identify which strategy worked and which strategy didn't work. Using that information, you can able to adapt and come up with creative marketing plans in your future marketing campaigns. All the data, all the decisions that you are making is based on the real-time data that we collect from the Web2 tools and also in the Web3 tools. So you are not coming up with these strategies randomly. You are making this decision based on the data that we collect from Web2 and Web3 platforms. We are also working on artificial intelligence technologies so that it will tell you. Right now, we don't have the feature, but we are working on the feature based on the data that we collect from your website or from your mobile application, and also the blockchain, Ethereum blockchain application. We can able to tell on which days the engagement will be more, on which days if you promote any marketing campaign, you will get more visitors visiting your website and ultimately purchasing the NFT or whatever you are selling on your website. So those features we are working on, it is not there in our platform yet, but we are actively working on to make it available for our customers. So, and also the main purpose of this tool, the heatmap tool or the other tools that we have, is building a trustworthy and transparent community around your products. Say you are whatever data you collect from the users, from your customers, you can share it back to them and show them how well your Ethereum blockchain application has been used by other customers. This helps you to create a trust within your community, because you are not coming up with some random data or random guess analysis that this is the way it is working. You are showing them real data that you collect from your Web2 tools, from using the AnalyticKit Web2 tools, and also using the Analytic Web3 tools, and collect those data, and then you are making the decision based on the real-time data. You are showing the data, the graphs and everything to your community, so that they will have a trust in your marketing campaigns, and also they can able to uh, understand how well you are using the data, artificial intelligence and all other technologies to grow their community. And that's all I need to discuss in this presentation. The main purpose, as I said, is to understand, use the heat map graph based on different dates, and then the public wallet addresses we collect. You can able to understand and come up with the marketing strategies, marketing campaigns for your customers. So this ultimately helps to create trust within your community, and that helps you to grow the community. um, and then in the future they will interact more with your marketing campaign strategies, and ultimately purchase the NFT tokens or other items that you are selling. Thanks for your time. I appreciate you listening to this video, and if you have any questions or concerns, please let me know. And please help us to grow this community by subscribing to our our YouTube channel. And also, if you want to know more about us, go to analytickit.com, that our website. Or if you want to access our SaaS platform, then go to dpa.analytickit.com. Or from the analytickit.com, you can directly go to the login page and you can put your user ID and password if you already have an account. If you don't, then you can register and start using it right away. Thank you. Appreciate your time. Bye.